Hey guys, thanks for choosing Vapura Subscriptions, Ireland's #1 e-liquid and hardware subscription service. Today I'm going to run through how the service works and how to use your hardware. Alright, so if you sign up for a Vapura Silver or Gold package, this is the device you are going to receive. It's the Kangertech Kone. So I'm just going to unbox this real quick. Alrighty. So here we have the battery itself, the Kangertech Kone. And then we have the atomizer here, which is the Kangertech Exceed D19. Also included, we have a spare coil and a USB charger. And this USB charger works just the same as your phone at home. So basically just pop it in this port at the bottom here, and then the other end into any old USB charger, say an old iPhone charger, something like that. I'm just gonna untap that there. Also on this side we have what we call the fire button. So I'm just gonna screw this in here like that. And the first thing I'm gonna run through with you is how to change and prime a coil. So you start off by unscrewing this black cap here. Then unscrew this white ring. Just pop this glass off here. And here's the coil itself. So this is the brain of the device, and its purpose is to warm the e-liquid to turn it into a vapor. So I'm just going to change out this coil. You won't have to do this for about 4 to 5 weeks after you first get it, but you still need to learn how to prime it. Just going to pop that over there. And then this is the spare coil you got, so I'm going to screw that in just like that. Nice and firm. Alright, so we're going to pop the glass back on. Screw the white ring back in place. And twist everything so it's firm, not super tight, but nice and firm. So to prime the coil, you get your e-liquid, give it a quick shake. And pop that 2 or 3 drops just down the center hole there. Once you put those 2 or 3 drops in, just fill the rest from either of the holes to the left or right. And fill the glass up until the liquid gets just below the white ring. Now we're going to screw the black cap back on. And the next thing you're going to do is you're going to suck 3 times on the black tip without actually hitting the fire button. This is to help draw the liquid through the cotton that is in the heating coil to help it get saturated. Now let it sit for 30 minutes to get properly absorbed in. After you've let it sit for 30 minutes, it's ready to go. So to unlock the device, you hit the fire button here 5 times in quick succession. And you can see that's flashing. That means it's unlocked and ready to go. So to actually use the device, hold the fire button while inhaling. And release it when you've finished inhaling. There you go, that's the vapor there now. Just to show you again. Hold while inhaling. And release when you've finished inhaling. So to lock the device again, hit the button 5 times. Locking the device is very important. It's a safety feature to stop it firing up when it's in your pocket or in your bag or anything like that. Now, also never let the liquid get too low. You can see at the bottom of the coil, there's a few small holes here, 4 holes in total, and never get it below that level. Otherwise, you risk drying the coil out and damaging the coil. A coil lasts on average about 4 to 5 weeks. That's why with every new delivery, we include a coil with your replacement liquids. Okay, so another feature of this is this little white ring at the bottom. It's an adjustable airflow, so at the moment it's fully open, but you can have it half open or pretty much fully closed. It's very much down to a thing of personal preference. I usually use it fully open myself. It gives a bigger, stronger draw, but everyone to their own, you know. And last thing I'm going to go through is, so the device is currently locked, so I hit the fire button and nothing comes up. Now the last thing is to show you the charge levels. So just plug the USB in like that, and you can see that the device is flashing here. That means it's charging. All 5 LEDs will be full when it is fully charged. The battery on this device usually lasts about 2 days solidly, but usually I charge it for an hour or 2 before going to bed every night and then unplug it. And that is all for the moment, folks. If you have any questions at all, please email help@vapura.ie or call us on 01 442 9885. Thank you.